In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a panda in less than 4 minutes. First step, I always sprinkle my palette with water. Then secondly, as you can see, I'm applying the paint on my face and I'm using this special brush that I got online. Not brush, a sponge. Then with a very small brush, I dip my brush into my black paint, and then I'm drawing the ears. Then and this is something that I learned when I was doing this, that never have face paint your face with makeup on, because as you can see there are patches of brown, and I didn't know this up until I started, and it was just there's nothing I could have done. So coming next, I'm going to be doing this on my bare face. But anyway, I'm now drawing these cute panda eyes. And then next I'm trying to figure out, since this is such a small face of a panda, I was trying to figure out where to put the nose. But luckily I did. And then I put those cute tiny panda paws. Then now I remember asking myself, do pandas have a mouth? No, like I know they have a mouth, but like, how is their mouth drawn? Like, is it half like a cartoon character? But anyway, I also figured that the makeup was getting into the white places face of the panda, so I went back with a slightly bigger brush. It's not that big. I think it's a stroke 3 brush, but I'm not sure. I should be sure. Yeah, but then I put the mouth, and as you can see, guys, I was really wondering if whether to leave it like that or expand it, but I was like, you know what, it can stay. And then I put white dots on panda eyes to represent, are they called pupils? Yeah. Then to top it all off, I thought of adding some cute flower petals. Yeah, this part was really hard. As you can see, I was actually laughing at myself because face painting others is easiest for me. I always find it hard to face paint on my face, and as you can see on my channel, like, I try and face paint as many kids as I can to practice, because on my face it's so hard. The precision is so hard, and at the same time you have to always be looking at a mirror. You can't like really see yourself. So that's what I find hard to face paint on your face. And also, it's hard to see yourself because your face is practically a 3D canvas. And where else, if you're face painting someone else, their canvas it's still 3D, but it's easier. It's easier because it's easier to angle. For me, this was so hard to angle, you guys. As you can see, the flower petals did not come out as 5 petals. Like, yeah, they are 5, but you can see they are botched. They are a bit botched. So I definitely need to put to practice more on this. And then a wonderful thought occurred to me, that, you know what, pandas need petals. I think I was thinking of that scene in Kung Fu Panda where Master Shifu comes and informs his master. I forget the name. But he comes and informs his master that Tai Long has escaped out of prison. And the master is near a peach tree. So I was trying to remember the color of the peach petals, if you may. And that was it dark outside? Because in my head, it was so dark. That's why I'm painting stars. Don't even argue with me. Just enjoy the video. So I thought, you know what, Kung Fu Panda needs petals, and what else? Stars. Like, it's a night sky. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I love you all so much. Wait to see my niece's reaction up next.
Looks